Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to look at our newest addition to our truck fleet that we have for sale. Lots of good ones. I'll tell you the details in a moment. Well, greetings from Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. You can take a look at our entire website if you want to visit us online at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you're going to find our latest acquisition here, a 1958 Chevrolet 3100 Apache pickup, half-ton. Beautifully restored truck. Let me give you some of the details of this one, because this one took the fellow over 4 years to do the complete restoration. If you take a look at it, it has beautiful red paint that just absolutely is flawless. You look down the sides, it's really nice. The door fit, hood fit, everything is really, really nice. Again, like I said, the fellow took 4 years, and he was kind of a fussy individual, so you're going to get a really nice quality vehicle here. This one came with the standard 235's inline 6 engine, which is absolutely stock. So if you're looking for a stock edition, it even has the 4-speed with a granny low in it. But it is a stock truck. This is just the way it came in 1958, one of the top years for Chevrolet selling of trucks. They were the #1 truck seller back in the late 50s, and we can see why. I mean, the design and whatnot. This is the first year when they went to the dual headlights in a 1958. An interesting note, it even has T3 headlights in it, which is always an indication to me that someone took a lot of attention to detail to get that kind of stuff right. Again, the chrome is just beautifully done. Everything is just as the way it came. Actually, this is probably better than what it was in 1958, but that's goes without saying when you take a look at the vehicle. Let me just walk around a little bit here. We have another thing everyone's going to notice. This truck really is a classy looking truck. It has the wide white walls with the little center hubcaps and the beauty rings and the matching rims colored painted to match the truck. Just really sets this thing off when you look at it from the side and look at it going down the road. It is just stellar. Everything about this truck has been touched, modified, done. I mean, we've got a whole new interior, the gray vinyl interior bench seat. Absolutely nice with the gray carpets. Nice thing about if you're looking for the stocker, of course, it's got all the stock instruments. The original speedometer is in place, the temperature gauge, and the gas gauge. This one was probably a little more of a thrifty individual. They didn't order radio. It even has the radio delete plate in it. Like I said, beautiful truck in all sense of the word. The steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. It does have a chrome outside rear view mirror for the driver, just so he can see what's going on behind. And then we go to probably one of the more beautiful aspects of the truck itself. It has a beautiful restored bed. This is all steel truck. There's no fiberglass fenders or anything like that. This is all steel, but they came with wood beds with the stripes of stainless stripes that went down the lines. Nicely done. Little side things here, just if you needed to have a little more capacity if you were hauling hay bales or something else in the truck. The tailgate, again, is a nice, very, very nice condition one. It's got the word Chevrolet accented on the center of the tailgate. I'm taking a look at it. Has dual, of course, the lights, rear tail lights are in place. Even has a little Chevrolet emblem on the chrome exhaust tip on this particular one. No, this fellow did a really nice job of putting all this stuff together. Again, if you want to find us on our website, or if you can't find us there, you can find us on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram as well. You know, make us a favorite. Like us. That's always a wonderful thing. Make us a favorite, is what we always say on our website. You can come and visit us in person if you're so inclined. We're open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. Come and take a look. It would be fun to have you come here and take a look at our latest truck, along with close to 100 other vehicles in stock, everything from street rods, classics, to muscle cars, resto mods, and the like. So come and visit at Ellingson's. We always have something just for what you want.